In the year 2024, Japan made history by becoming the fifth country to achieve a soft landing on the moon, after the US, the former USSR, China, and India. The mission, named SLIM, was a demonstration of Japan's precision navigation technologies and lunar exploration capabilities. But the landing was not without challenges and surprises. In this video, we talk about the story of how Japan's Moon Sniper probe made an incredibly accurate landing but ended up on its nose. The SLIM spacecraft was launched by a Japanese H-3 rocket, a new launch vehicle developed by JAXA, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. The rocket successfully placed SLIM into a transfer orbit towards the moon, where it would spend about 4 months before entering the lunar orbit. The SLIM spacecraft was designed to perform a pinpoint landing on the moon, meaning that it would aim for a very small target area of 100 meters in diameter, instead of a much larger zone of several kilometers. This required SLIM to use advanced technologies such as rapid image processing, crater mapping, and obstacle avoidance, to autonomously navigate and adjust its trajectory during the descent. The SLIM spacecraft carried 2 autonomous probes that were designed to explore the lunar environment and communicate with SLIM and the Earth. Lev-1 was a hopping robot that could jump up to 10 meters high and 15 meters far, using a spring mechanism. Sora-Q was a rolling robot that could change its shape and size, using a flexible membrane. Both robots had cameras, sensors, and radio equipment. The SLIM spacecraft was supposed to land within 100 meters of its target site, near the Shioli crater, on January 25, 2024, at 0:20 Japan Standard Time. The landing site was chosen because it was a region covered in volcanic rock, which could provide clues about the moon's geological history and evolution. The SLIM spacecraft was very close to achieving a perfect landing when something went wrong. One of its main engines lost thrust, causing the spacecraft to tilt and deviate from its planned trajectory. The spacecraft tried to correct its attitude, but it was too late. The spacecraft hit the surface at a high speed and a wrong angle, and bounced off the ground. The SLIM spacecraft survived the impact, but it was in a bad shape. The spacecraft was unable to generate enough electricity from its solar panels, which were facing the wrong direction. The spacecraft also lost contact with the Earth, as its antenna was damaged. The spacecraft had only a few hours of battery power left before it would go into hibernation mode. The SLIM spacecraft was not alone on the moon, however. The 2 small robots, Lev-1 and Sora-Q, had successfully landed on the surface, near SLIM. The robots were able to communicate with each other, and with the Earth, using their radio equipment. The robots also started to explore the lunar environment, using their cameras and sensors. The 2 small robots, Lev-1 and Sora-Q, were the only hope for SLIM to wake up again. The robots tried to find a way to help SLIM, by moving closer to it, or by reflecting sunlight onto its solar panels. The robots also kept sending data and images to the Earth, to inform JAXA about SLIM's condition and location. JAXA did not give up on SLIM either. The agency analyzed the data and images sent by the robots, and tried to find a way to restore contact with SLIM. JAXA also hoped that SLIM would be able to recharge its battery when the lighting conditions on the moon changed. JAXA planned to send a command to SLIM to wake it up from hibernation mode and resume its mission. The SLIM mission was a remarkable achievement for Japan and for the world. The mission demonstrated Japan's technological prowess and scientific ambition in the field of lunar exploration. The mission also provided valuable data and insights about the moon's surface and environment. The mission was not without challenges and surprises, but it was also full of hope and inspiration. So see you guys in the next interesting video.